Yes, I thank God that we've made it through this week, and we are back here at Seguku Worship Center of Yesu Akwagala. The service I'm to attend is not yet begun, and we are here waiting for the main service to begin, so we will worship together. The most immediate point to make today, it's upon robbery hoodment of Mr. Latigo Mulumba Jagwe, who is now a member of Seguku Worship Center but still operates into robbery on behalf of the government and is deeper into these operations of robbery. We are sure that whenever Mr. Jagwe Mulumba goes, he recruits young men to join his robbery activities, and is recruited men like Salongo Mubiru, also is involved into robbery here in Seguku, and others. I am sure they are recruited. When I found out about this gentleman, how they participate into robbery hoodments trending here in Uganda, I realized that their hoodment is into church operates now, because as far as Mubiru is among the men's leader team of Seguku Worship Center, is working up and down to see that he brings his co-friend into robbery activities, Latigo Mulumba, also to be part of this leadership team. It is beyond our reasonable doubt that robbery hoodments have got involved into these Pentecostal movement churches now, not then, the time we joined these Pentecostal movements. When we joined these Pentecostal movements, robbery activities, they were not usual nor sound at all. It is now that supreme pastors of these entities have robbed and have obtained by false pretense warfares sent through them, that they have involved in robbery hoodments of Seguku community in order to intimidate us who they rob, in order to oppress us, and in order to rule over everybody under a robbery wave. It is dangerous beyond repair, and we are sure that this can't be an additional thing to any Pentecostal faith or church